This is a, what is this? This is a, oh, it's Formula with a shaker hood. So this is a 73 Super Duty Formula. And they did not have the typical Formula hood. The Super Duty cars had the Trans Am shaker. And it's a 4-speed car. So for 1973, a Super Duty Formula with a 4-speed, they only made 10. So this car is 1 of 10. It's Admiralty Blue. Who knows how many were made in this color combination. This car, out of those 10, this car may ultimately be a 1 of 1. There's a full-on custom Mustang with a really nice display. Chrome rotors, calipers, brackets. I see control arms, strut rods, chrome sway bar, chromed exhaust. This thing's got chrome everywhere. And another wing car. Seems to be that there may be quite a number of wing cars here. For 1969, they were all Daytonas, and for 1970, they were Plymouth Superbirds. Each was a 1-year only deal. This one, read the windshield. 680 miles, original, unrestored. Where else are you going to see this car, along with a bunch of other wing cars, but other than at a show with this prestige? I've been saying it for years. The most prestigious muscle car show in the country, hands down. But because this says Plymouth on the back, obviously it's got to be a 1970. It's a Roadrunner Superbird. 680 miles. Check out this custom Pontiac. Trunk's all done. The interior's got to be all done as well. Let's see if we get a look from here. Full-on custom. Two-tone leather interior. Wonder what's under here. Retains a 1967 grille. A lot of hours into this build. Mustang. I've been buying stuff out of the basement by us. Roof's a little short on this one. It's actually a convertible with a hardtop on it. Find some really cool stuff here at the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals. And this row of cars is absolutely fantastic. 70 GTO Judge. Another GTO. This almost looks like convertible row, actually. One there, one there. Convertible LS6. It's, I believe this is a car without stripes. No, it is. There's a LS6 here without stripes, which was possible. Another 70 LS6 convertible. Word has it that this car scored incredibly well in judging. Maybe 999 out of 1,000. Oldsmobile 442 W30 car, convertible, big money car. W30 cars had red inner fender wells. Trying to walk and talk at the same time is sometimes difficult. This looks like a really nice car from behind the camera over here. Here's that GTX we saw on the way through this room. Nice air grabber hood. Now we're looking at a 1986 Buick Grand National. 86, 87 are the two most desirable years, and talking to the general Buick GN enthusiast, they'll take the 87 over the 86. It's got proper factory issue style Goodyear Eagle GTs. They look absolutely phenomenal. A good possibility that they're reproductions, because that tire is being reproduced, but they are purchased at an insane price. But for show purposes, they are the way to go. This is a really nice car. This car's got fantastic paint on it. And of all my walking around, this is the only 57 Chevy that I've seen so far. This one sits on a Roadster chassis. Let's take a peek under the hood. It's a 383 stroker motor, Edelbrock RPM air gap intake, fuel injected. It's got air conditioning, nice serpentine belt system. Get your air conditioning. It's got to be an automatic because I see an automatic transmission cooler here, and I'm reading this, and it's got a 700 R4 overdrive. And I don't know if you want to call this convertible, but maybe not. And do you want to call it a car or truck? 70 El Camino 454 LS5 with factory air. Wow, these cars look like twins. And they just might be identical. Have to look into that. Well, I noticed the bumper guards are different between them. It'd be interesting to see what the deal is with these two. Here's Arnie Bestwick's race car. This guy is one badass dude.